This is the secret that Wall Street doesn't want you to know about. While millions of Americans are struggling to pay bills in 2025, a small group of everyday people are quietly making $1,000 to $3,000 per day without working. And the craziest part? They're doing it completely passively. My name is Alex, and 3 months ago, I was drowning in debt, working 60 hours a week at a job I hated. Today, I wake up to notification after notification of money hitting my account while I sleep. Last month alone, I made $47,320 without selling a single product, without talking to a single customer, and without any special skills. But let me be clear, this isn't some get rich quick scheme. This isn't crypto, NFTs, or those sketchy AI trading bots that are everywhere right now. What I'm about to show you is a legitimate, ethical method that's helping thousands of regular people create true financial freedom in 2025. So, what changed for me? I discovered a passive income system that leverages artificial intelligence and automation to generate consistent income streams. The beauty of this system is that once you set it up, it runs 24/7 without you needing to be there. That means you can be sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your family while the money keeps flowing in. Here's why this works so well in 2025. The digital economy has exploded, with over 5.3 billion people now online. Companies are desperate to reach these potential customers, and they're willing to pay handsomely for it. But instead of doing the hard work yourself, you can position yourself as the middleman using automated systems. Let me break down exactly how this works. First, you identify high-demand digital products that already exist. These products solve real problems for people and have proven track records of sales. Then, you use AI tools to create targeted marketing campaigns that run on autopilot. Finally, you leverage existing platforms to distribute these campaigns, earning massive commissions whenever a sale is made. The best part? You never have to create a product, handle customer service, or deal with any of the headaches of traditional business. The system does all the heavy lifting for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. If this is so great, why isn't everyone doing it? The truth is, most people don't know this opportunity exists. And of those who do, many lack the specific knowledge needed to implement it correctly. That's why I've created a free training that breaks down the entire process step by step. In this training, I'll show you the exact system I used to go from zero to over $1,000 per day in just 47 days. I'll reveal the 3 specific niches that are absolute gold mines right now in 2025. And I'll demonstrate how to use cutting-edge AI tools to automate the entire process, even if you're not tech savvy. But don't just take my word for it. Let me introduce you to some people who've already implemented this system. Sarah, a former teacher from Ohio, made $12,347 in her first month using this method. She now travels the world with her family while her income continues to grow. Mike, a 58-year-old who was worried about retirement, now makes more in a week than he used to make in a month at his corporate job. And then there's James, who was skeptical at first but decided to give it a try anyway. Within 60 days, he had replaced his full-time income and quit his job. Now he makes between $2,000 and $3,000 every single day, and he only spends about an hour a week maintaining his system. These are real people with real results. And the best part is, they're not special or uniquely talented. They simply followed a proven system and took consistent action. Now, I need to be upfront about something. This opportunity won't be available forever. As more people discover this method, competition will increase, and the entry barrier will get higher. That's why I'm offering this free training now, while the opportunity is still wide open. In this comprehensive training, you'll discover the exact step-by-step blueprint for creating passive income streams that generate $1,000 to $3,000 per day. How to leverage AI to do 95% of the work for you, even if you have zero technical skills. The 3 most profitable niches in 2025 that are virtually untapped. How to scale from your first $100 day to consistent $1,000 plus days. The common mistakes that cause most people to fail at passive income and how to avoid them. The secret multiplier method that can double or even triple your income overnight. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about building systems that work for you instead of you working for someone else's system. Now, I want to address the elephant in the room. You might be wondering why I'm sharing this information for free. The truth is, I remember what it was like to be stuck in the rat race, constantly stressed about money and time. I believe financial freedom should be accessible to everyone, not just the privileged few. That's why I've made this training completely free. But there is a catch. This training won't be available forever. Due to the nature of this opportunity, I can only share it with a limited number of people before it becomes saturated. So if you're seeing this video right now, consider yourself lucky. You're in the right place at the right time. To access the free training, simply click the link in the description below. You'll be taken to a registration page where you can secure your spot. The training is about 60 minutes long, and I recommend watching it all the way through without distractions. The information is that valuable. And for those who are skeptical, I get it. The internet is full of empty promises and get-rich-quick schemes. That's why I've included case studies and real examples in the training. You'll see actual results from real people, with nothing held back. I want you to have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Remember, this isn't about overnight success. While the system itself is passive, setting it up properly does require some initial effort. But compared to working 40-plus hours a week for the next 40 years, spending a few hours now to create lasting passive income is a no-brainer. March 28th, 2025 could be just another day in your life. Or it could be the day you took control of your financial future. The choice is yours. The training is completely free, but spots are limited. Click the link below now to secure your spot before it's too late. I'll see you inside the training, and I can't wait to hear about your success story.